Hello.
Sir, my
Hello.
sir, my doubt was when is to use chain rule, sir.
0 by 0 form is scheme chain rule we can apply.
No, sir, L hospital that time, sir, but you used the chain rule also. Means writing one more time that what is given that time not understanding, sir.
What chain rule when we apply means only single x is there, no chain rule. X is
Okay, sir.
add by any number. Okay, na? X is
Yes, sir.
multiply by any number. I am writing on the screen. See, X is add
Yes,
by
sir.
2, chain rule. X is multiplied by any number, chain rule. Multiplication and subtraction, chain rule. Okay, na? Single
Addition
X,
also, sir.
addition also, subtraction also, multiplication also, division also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Then we can apply the chain rule. Is it clear? Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Thank you.
right. See, now by denominator is the x derivative is here is the a square minus sin a, no x term, derivative is 0, denominator x derivative is 1. Now substitute x place is the 0. A plus 0 square means a square. Cos of a plus 0 is the cos a. A derivative 0, x derivative is 1. A derivative 0, x derivative is 1. Sin of a, x place is the 0, sin a. 2 into a plus 0 whole power of 2 minus 1 is a 1. Derivative of a is 0, x derivative is 1. By denominator is 1. Right. Now write down. Answer is a square cos a plus sin a into 2a. Sin a into 2a. 2a in 2a by 1 not necessary. That is the problem. Okay, na? Clear. Now it is chain rule. When we apply mean single x is there, no question of chain rule. It is multiplied by any number, chain rule. It is add by any number, chain rule. It is subtracted by any number, chain rule. It is divisible by any number, chain rule. Okay, na? So multiplication, addition, subtraction, any one did means chain rule we can apply. Okay, na? Right. Last step repeat. Yes. Once again you can see last step. I will do the last step. You can see here. This is the step na. I will explain once again. You can see. Right. I will write. See. Last step I will write once again. You can see. Right. Last step. Now replace message. I will replace message. Last step I will. Last step I will explain once again. You can see. First one. Okay. Last step once again I will explain. Right. You see, first limit extends to 0. Okay, na? Right. A plus x whole square cos of a plus x. Middle plus c is there means separate derivative. A derivative. A is a constant derivative is the 0 plus dx by dx is the 1. Okay, na? Dx by dx sin of a plus x, sin of a plus x. Okay, na? 2 into a plus x power of 2 minus 1 is a 1. Separate derivative. A constant derivative is the 0 plus dx by dx. Dx by dx means both are cancelled. Before that step. Before step is a clear na. Before step is a clear na. a plus x square. Sine derivative is the cos of a plus. First u silent. Here formula C. U silent, v derivative. V silent, u derivative. Okay na? First I will write. This is the u a plus x whole square. V derivative. Sine derivative is the cos of a plus x. A plus x chain rule. A plus x I will write. Plus v silent sine of a plus x. V silent. Formula is the v silent sine of a plus x. Derivative of u a plus x whole square. First x power of n formula. X power of n formula n into x power of n minus 1. But this is not a single x. Immediately d by dx of a plus x. Next a square sine a, no x term. Completely derivative is 0. Okay na? Now see the by denominator is here dx is cancel, value is 1 na? Right. Now x plus 0 substitute limit. So a x plus is the 0 mean a plus 0 whole square cos of a plus 0. Okay na? 0 plus 1 is the 1 plus sine of x plus is the 0, write down a plus 0. 2 into a plus x plus is the 0. Limit is x approaches to 0. Here 0 plus 1 is a 1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. Now write down a square cos of a plus sine a. Okay na? Sine a into 2a. That is the required answer. Is it clear now, everyone? Right. Replace of a message, replace. Okay, okay, clear. Right. Last Abhay is given last problem. That problem is I am going to work out. That problem is I am going to work out. So after then my models is going. Uh, all right. Everyone go through the last problem. What they are going to give and one more problem that I am going to discuss. After then my models I am going last problem, see what they are going to give and evaluate given limit. Limit z tends to 1. Limit z tends to 1. Z power of 1 by 3 minus 1 by z power of 1 by 6 minus 1. Direct substitute z place is the z is the variable here. Z is the variable. Okay, now clear everyone? Z is the variable. Z reaches to 1. Z is the variable here. Right. First Z place is the 1. 1 power whatever it may be 1 by 1 power whatever it may be 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1. 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Okay, na? Before going to the derivative method, we can see z tends to 1. I am writing carefully, observe my here. Z power of 1 by 6 whole square. Z power of a power of m whole power of n is a power of m into n. Z power of 1 by 3 is equal to z power of 1 by 6 whole square. That is the z power of 1 by 6 into 2. Again, it will get z power of 1 by 3 only. 2 and 6 cancel, z power of 1 by 3 only. Minus 1 square, no change, by z power of 1 by 6 minus 1. This is the formula of a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Right now, write down. So limit z tends to 1. So z power of 1 by 6 minus 1 a minus b into z power of 1 by 6 plus 1 a plus b by z power of 1 by 6 minus 1. These two terms are cancelled. Now z place is the one substitute, 1 power of 1 by 6 plus 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, its answer is 2. Is it clear, everyone? So what they have to given, all problems I will finish and go through the my models. My model is, so L hospital we are applying na. So some problems, these type of the problems, without using the factorization method, we can do the binomial theorem method. So binomial theorem is the method mean very simple. This problem I will do in the binomial theorem process. That is the my models first I am going. Now see the binomial approximation. Everyone put my models. Binomial approximation. What is the binomial approximation means? Everyone see, the problem is given as a 1 plus x power of n. N is greater than or equal to 1 by 2 fraction. Remember, n value is the fraction 1 by 2, or n is greater than or equal to 3. Natural number is the greater than 3. Fraction is the greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Natural number is the greater than or equal to 3. Then 1 plus x power of n, binomial theorem is x plus y whole power of n. Already binomial theorem, you know that. So binomial theorem is x plus y whole power of n is equal to nc0 x power of n, y power is 0. Okay, na? nc1 x power of n minus n, y power of 1. We can write now. This is going on going. Both are equal, x power of 0. Condition not understand. Y power of n. Condition is fraction means n is greater than 1 by 2. Greater than 1 by 2 means 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 3, that numbers only. Okay, na? So n is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So here is natural numbers means greater than 3. Square means we can write as a plus b whole square means not necessary. A square plus 2ab plus b square, not necessary. A plus b whole cube means we get some doubt. That's why cubic function and rational 1 by square root function. 1 by 2 means root of a plus b function. For these function, apply the binomial theorem. Okay, na? Right. Right. Everyone see. This is simple. Nothing is there. Here is simply only 1 plus nx. That's enough. Remaining not necessary. Only this, only write down. Remaining not necessary. 1 plus nx. That's enough. 1 plus nx. So any problem is given like this one. Power is natural number means greater than or equal to 3. Fraction means greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Above 0.5. Above 0.5, we can apply this formula. Above 3, apply this formula. Okay, na? Right. Right. Everyone see. I will write one problem, then we can understand clearly. Now see. Problem is limit x tends to 1, 13th root of 13th root of this is greater than 2. This point is, remember, 1 by greater than 2. Okay, na? Right. 13th root of x minus 7th root of x by denominator is qth root of x minus fifth root of x. Sorry, this is the fifth root of x. This is the fifth root of x minus qth root of x. Actually, x place is the 1, means see, limit x tends to 1, x power of 1 by 30 minus x power of 1 by 7. Here is x power of 1 by 5 minus x power of 1 by 3. Okay, na? This is greater than 2. 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 That is the point. N greater than 1. Numerator is the 1. It is fixed. Denominator is the greater than 2. Denominator is the equal to 2 or greater than 2. Okay, na? So that is the fixed. 1 is the fixed. So now what we are going to do is, point is, understand? Na? Now we can do the problem is C. So x power of 1 by 13, denominator 13 is greater than 2, minus x power of 1 by 7, 7 is greater than 2. Next, x power of 1 by 5, 5 is greater than 2, minus x power of 1 by 3. Next point is, x tends to 1 means 1 plus h, write down. Here, what is the h value? Tell me, Amma. What is the h value is? X value is 1. Already given x is equal to 1. What is the h value is? X is equal to 1 needed means h is equal to 0. Okay, na? H is equal to 0. Is it correct? Already given x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Write down. Add. So h value is 0. Then x will become as a 1. Okay, na? So any problem given like this one we can take. Okay, na? So here is, everyone observe. So what we are going to take is, so x is equal to 1 plus h, write down. So x value 1 needed means h value is equal to 0. Okay, na? Here write down. Limit h tends to 0. X place write down, Amma. X place write down 1 plus h. Already h value 0 means x value is equal to 1. So 1 plus h. X place is the 1 plus h whole power of 1 by 13 minus 1 plus h whole power of 1 by 7 by 1 plus h whole power of 1 by 5, 1 plus h whole power of 1 by 3. Now write down the binomial theorem is, limit h tends to 0. Binomial theorem is the 1 plus n into h. 1 by 13 into h. That's enough. Here 1 n into x. 1 plus n into x. These two multiplication. So n into x. These two. Next, minus of 1 plus these two multiplication. 1 by 7 into h by denominator is 1 plus 1 by 5 into h minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into h. Okay, na? 1 by 3 into h. So now this part is clear now, everyone. Now see, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 is cancel. I will write here. Everyone observe. So limit h tends to 0. What is the remaining is h by 13 minus h by 7 by denominator is h by 5 minus h by 3. Take numerator h is common, numerator h is common and denominator h is common. What is the remaining amma? So limit h tends to 0, 1 by 13 minus 1 by 7 by 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now take LCM. So 7 minus 13 by 13 into 7. Reverse write down. Reverse 15 by, okay, na? 3 minus 5. Right, simplify. 3 minus 5, simplify. We get the required answer. 7 minus 13 is minus 6 by 13 into 7 into 15 by minus 2, right? You can simplify, you get the answer. That is the answer. Very simple problems. Any problem we can do. Now we do the problem now. What we are given the problem, I will do very simply, we can see. So note down this one. I will do that one. Very simply it will be solved. See what they are going to given the problem is difficulty problem also we can do by the simple process only. Limit z tends to 1. Now the given problem is limit z tends to 1, z power of 1 by 3 minus 1. Right, right, correct, correct, Abhay, correct. Z power of 1 by 6 minus 1. I will do see limit here z is equal to 1 plus h. Take h is always 0, ma. H is always 0. Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h whole power of 1 by 3 z place minus 1 by denominator is 1 plus h power of 1 by 6 z place minus 1. Write down the binomial formula. Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus 1, 1 by 3 into h minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 6 into h minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. See, limit h tends to 0, 1 by 3 into h by 1 by 6 into h. Now h is cancel. Reverse order write down. 1 by 3 into 6 by 1. Answer is 2. Very simply we can get answer. This problem we are writing the factors not necessary. By the binomial theorem purpose, it will get very simply answer. Okay, clear? We can do some more problem in binomial theorem model. Okay. Okay, understand, Abhay? Replace message, Abhay. Right. I will do some more problems. No one tell in any class we can go, anywhere you can go. These type of the simple methods, they never tell. They will take, right. They can't use binomial theorem approachment. They can't use anything. They will tell direct procedures only. But we are doing very short methods only. Right. Everyone see. Right. One more problem I will do. You can see. Limit extends to minus 1. Okay, na? Here qth root of 7 minus x minus 2 by denominator is x plus 1. first 0 by 0 form is coming or not coming or you can see 0 by 0 form is coming or not coming or. So see x place is the -1 write down q to root of 7 x place is the -1 minus minus is the +1 -2 by x place is the -1 +1. See a, 8 to the power of 1 by 3 minus 2 0. 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube power of 1 by 3 minus 2 by 0. 3 cancel 2 only 2 minus 2 is the 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So q to root is k. I am applying the binomial theorem model, BO model, binomial model. Limit x tends to -1, 7 minus x power of 1 by 3 minus 2 by x plus 1. Now immediately binomial model is x is equal to -1 plus h write down, h is equal to 0 write down. So limit h tends to 0, x place write down -1 plus h, 7 minus of -1 plus h, okay na, whole power of 1 by 3 minus 2, denominator is a -1 plus h, x place +1 minus 1 cancel, right. Limit h tends to 0, minus minus is the plus 8 minus h whole power of 1 by 3 minus 2 by h. Okay, na? 8 take common. 8 comes outside, limit h tends to 0. 8 comes outside, it take power 8 power of 1 by 3 under bracket is 1 minus h by 8 whole power of 1 by 3 minus 2 by h. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. 8 2 cube means 2. Now write down binomial theorem 1. 1 minus power into these two multiplication. 1 by 3 into h by 8 minus 2 by h. Now see, limit h tends to 0. These two multiply 2 minus 2 times of h by 24. 3 into 8 is the 24 minus 2 by h. Here minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. What is the remaining? Here I am writing C. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Minus 2 times of h by 24 by h. Here h is cancelled. 2 12 times is cancelled. Final answer is minus 1 by 12 is the answer. Okay, clear? Any problem? So see, power is 1 by 3, q to root, 5th root, 7th root. Any problem, binomial theorem method is apply mean very simply it will be solved. Okay, na? Right. I go through the one more problem we can see. Right. Everyone see. I go through the one more problem. I will write one more problem. We can see. The problem is limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Write down. Limit extends to 0. Here is q to root of 1 plus x cube minus 4th root of 1 minus 2x by denominator is x plus x square, x plus x square. Direct substitute x place is the 0, qth root of 1 plus 0 is the 1, fourth root of 1 minus 0 is the 1, by 0 plus 0 square is the 0, 1 minus 1 by 0, answer is 0, indeterminate form.